I just want to share this video about seat belt, Volvo D13. So just come here, find these wires because it's giving me a headache. Boom, 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 boom. So what you're gonna do it? Go find all the way this cable. Boom. Find this little pin, push it, just disconnect it. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a little cable. Just using the middle. I'm using this kind of middle right here. You see there? This one you're gonna go right here. Just do like this, then connect it here. These two pieces you see right here, right here, you just put like this, then it's gonna go away. That's the temporary, you know, till you find the fixes seat belt. Otherwise it's gonna put you in a headache. Let me show you one thing. This video. That's it. See there? And coming back. Boom. You're lost now. Okay. That's it. That's how I want to share the video.